Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change out your wiper blade on a 2015 Honda CRV. All you got to do is just pull up on the wiper blade arm and just pull back on the wiper blade itself, and underneath here you'll see there's this little tab right there. Just press it in and pull down on the wiper blade and it comes right off. And then to put it back in, you can see this rounded off part right there. You just want to slide it inside of the U-shaped bracket right there and push up till you hear a click. And then it's seated in there properly. And then you just put the wiper arm back down. And that's it guys, real easy. Thanks for watching.